Good evening, this is Jan. I'm gonna make ribeye from Black Angus beef. Now this brand of cattle has much fat. Much fat means much flavor. So here's the meat. 200 grams precisely of ribeye steak. As you can see, here's all of the fat, which provides the flavor. As for the seasoning, I'm gonna keep it very simple today because I really want to taste the flavor of the meat itself. This beautiful steak. So just gonna be some salt, black pepper. These are very basic things to put in a steak, really. Thyme. My favorite herb, as I always say. Then finally a small amount of olive oil, extra virgin. Something like this. Just rub it in. And then the other side as well, same procedure. And these are the vegetables: radish, a very flavorsome vegetable, and green bell pepper, also known as paprika. The vegetables are almost done. They're very fragrant already, so I'm gonna lower the heat and put on the grill pan for the meat. In about 2 minutes per side, this ribeye will be ready. Gonna flip it over. Just look at this beautiful grill mark. Dinner is served. By the way, I'm eating some rustic bread with this, and I'm drinking Corbières. My favorite wine region from the south of France. Spicy. This is gonna match well with the ribeye steak. Now that is tender meat. Lots of flavor. Couple of radishes. Green paprika. I love vegetables that got lots of taste. Same way that I love meat that got lots of taste. I cooked the ribeye steak 2 minutes on one side and only 1 minute on the other, so that it stays right inside, just how I like it. Juicy meat. Perfect with these savory radishes. This is a really nice combination. The grapes in this wine are it's a blend of Syrah, Carignan and Grenache. All these wine varieties got quite a lot of spice in them. That is delicious meat, this Black Angus ribeye. Some more radish. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.